Hey guys, welcome back. So, right now there's a lot going on. We have completed a lot of stuffs with our house, and a lot of interior tear down has happened. So let me show you. So this wall is gonna have wallpaper. Right now, this is the update, guys. We love the trimmings on the arch. So this is the flexi trim. If you guys need more detailed video, I can tell you how we did this. So these are the trims right now, which I really love. I mean, and this is a paint color we will be picking, so it's gonna come out really beautiful. I know this is just painted by me, so this is the color though. So if you can see the difference between these two, this is gonna be white, and this is the trimming right now. So I really love it. So this is the kitchen area. This is the arch, the first arch. So here we're gonna have a statue of our God with something on the top, and here we have, so here it's going to be more like our family pictures and stuff like that. So I have already ordered the frames, and so we need to get the photos. So it's going to be on the either sides of the wall. We're going to have our family picture, our family journey, and this is going to be, this is the the bathroom, the powder room, and he needs to still work on, we need to work on this, and we need to work a bit on a couple of other stuff. So we ran into, meanwhile, this is the puja room that we are considering. So I really love it. This room has come out beautifully, so hopefully at the entrance it looks really grand. So we ran into a bit of issue because if you see that we're changing the paint color for the ground floor. So up there it's a different color. So we're probably gonna add in like a wainscoting up on the four walls and create like a demarcation. So this end of the house is gonna be white, and the other side is gonna be reflection that we have already right now. So that's what we're supposed to discuss and talk about and see how that goes. So people who actually go up don't feel like there are two different colors. So we need to add in like a trim or a mold right up on the four walls to give it an illusion that this is ground floor, and that's, yeah, so that's another one. So right now the house looks really well done. So we need to add still trims over these two stuff. So things are going good. So we have a major update now. So technically they have finished putting the drywall, and then like right now I think they're gonna come back again, do the rest of the finishing stuff, and also sand. So and next the wall is, sorry, the flooring is already ready. It's already here, but then they need to first finish sanding, and then I think the next process would be putting the floor. So I'm really excited and I'm waiting. It's almost getting there. As you can see, the room looks way too big right now, and the living room as well. So we asked them to tape up the area because it was getting too sandier on the other side, so it was not livable. So it was getting that bad. So right now it's really pretty. I really I'm happy now that it looks much bigger. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. So the bricks are all laid. It looks really beautiful, and this is exactly what we wanted. So they went ahead and painted the porch. So we have asked for like a light brown color with some tiles on here. So yep, the house is finally getting together. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm looking a bit rough today because we had a really bad night with Kiara. and you know, she didn't sleep well, and when she doesn't sleep well, we don't get enough sleep. And plus I'm also like, you know, suffering from cold and sore throat. So today morning, I think it's one day post the hurricane, you know, Helene, and I'm really deeply sorry for all the people that have lost their lives and, like, you know, who have been affected by the victims, so by the flooding. So now today we are actually going to pick up the paint. So they're going to start painting the first half of the house, and I think we're going to set up the first half because it's to a place where it's literally, it's getting exhausted, to a place where, like, you know, we're not able to live. So we're going to be setting up the first half of the house. Like, I think he's going to finish it today. So we have the stuffs that are required. I think we are waiting on 2 wall art. I think the wall arts can be done anytime. So the new study table is in, and we'll be like disposing of the old one. And yeah, so we're really excited, and I think I'm more excited as to how the trims would look once the paint is on. So stay tuned, and I'll keep you in the loop. So let's go pick out the paints.